The classes are pretty easy considering the actual stuff that you learn in the class, but they teach a lot and the program is it gives a lot of information. It teaches you a lot of stuff within a short amount of time. This is the school with the most hands-on experience that I've ever found. Most of our work, we do go down to the lab 4 days a week. We go and we learn stuff in a lower lab, and then we actually have job sites so we can practice stuff on. We can do practical work. This program's fantastic. It's actual hands-on experience, which quite a few schools can't offer. I feel like if I can prove myself through the work that I do here, build a portfolio with photos of what I've done, then my opportunities will be pretty set, and there will be plenty of places that'll probably want to hire me.